Hello, this is HK Laser Training Center. In this video, we will learn how to replace battery type auto grease service pack and period setting when 6-month cycle has been expired. In order to replace service pack, check locations of service pack and components including pouch and purchase service pack as required. Remove the cover first to proceed. Rotate housing to remove service pack. Lastly, battery can be removed with screwdriver. Install service pack on main body. Before install, squeeze grease pouch a little. Rotate housing to install after service pack. Next, you have set new cycle. Press power for 2 sec to turn on screen. After turn on screen, press button to set period. Our service pack is designed for 6 months, so press button until 6 shows up. To test auto grease after setting, press test button for 2 sec, then you can see auto grease test injection working. Test injection will be end until test stop blinking, and new cycle now started. After setting completed, put the cover in the body and it's ready to use. Now can you do it by yourself? If you need any more videos or questions while using our machine, please leave the comments below. I'll review and apply it to the video if possible. Thank you.